We're here at
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Guess what? Kristine is.
I'm pregnant. We're 27 weeks today.
We got a little one coming, guys.
Yep.
Comment below what you think the gender is. Comment below.
Comment below.
We're also going to be giving something away, so
Stay tuned for that.
yeah, probably maybe not this video, but the next video after that,
Yeah.
because we got to think of like the rules and all that stuff, so the details of it. So stay tuned for that, guys. Just got a huge hit on Kristine's pole.
Oh wait, I don't.
Ooh, there goes. Ooh, nice. Is he there?
Yes,
He's there, huh?
he's there. This is all my brand new pole that you got me.
Yep. Just got this pole for Kristine.
Watch out for those bushes, though.
I know.
Is it inside?
I think so.
Oh, I thought I saw the flash. There he is. Nice.
It's actually a decent size. That's a decent sized fish.
It's a pan fry fish, guys. First catch of the day. Earlier I got a bite with an orange micelle. So we switched up the bait and we got this guy. But it's actually a pan fry.
Alright guys, we just met a subscriber, Ramon.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Mini jigs.
Thank you.
Catch something with it, right? We
Yeah.
do appreciate you though.
Thank you.
Alright.
Alright, take care guys.
Yeah, take care.
So I decided to take a little trip out to Lake Mamie while Kristine is resting up, and while just check out the view over here. And look at this clear water, it is just amazing. I'm not really expecting anything to happen, but who knows, maybe we'll find something. Got the first one, guys. Is it a brookie? It's a tui chub. It's a tui chub. It's time to eat. Let's open it up and see what we got.
Alright, so
Whoa!
the beef enchilada plate combo. Smells good. Wow! Big burrito.
That looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be a dry one, but that looks pretty darn good.
Cheers.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to finish all this, that's for sure. Mmm.
Thumbs up.
That's good.
It's a lot of food.
So we're gonna eat this up. I'm gonna go fishing. She's just gonna relax.
And chill, take it easy today.
I'm gonna go float tubing
Want some water?
somewhere in Mammoth. But alright, that's about it. We're gonna finish this up. See you out in the lake. Float tubing, Lake George in Mammoth. I'm out here float tubing while Kristine is at home resting up. First one, guys. On the minnow. What do we got here? Looks like a little brookie. Very good, guys. Let him go. Caught him on the Explore Nature's Catch minnow. So we're out here, we're trying to go home, and supposedly there's a shooter shooting people, random cars on the freeway, so they blocked off all the roads. Check it out. I don't know how long we're gonna be stuck here, but
I've been here for about like 20 minutes. Just waiting.
this might be forever, but
Like 2 hours.
yeah, there's already a helicopter flying around. Cops everywhere. They're looking for the guy. Anyways, we'll be here.
So the sheriff came by and said that it wasn't safe for us to be just out there waiting.
Great. It's a dangerous world we live in.